Describe blockchain. A blockchain is a decentralized distributed ledger. It is a chain of blocks. Each block is linked to another block in a time-stamped chronological order. Each block stores transactions or data in a way that it is not possible to change or alter the data, and so it's an immutable ledger. An immutable ledger is a specialized database that does not allow modification of existing data. It allows you to create and append a new transaction in the ledger. The blockchain is a database that has the same characteristics of a ledger. It allows newer transactions to be stored in an append-only pattern without any scope of modification of past transactions. Each node has a replica of blockchain ledger, and so it is called distributed ledger. The very first block is called Genesis block, and each block has its own cryptographic signature. Because of being decentralized and distributed, blockchain solutions are stable, robust, durable, and highly available. Let's understand the block structures and how blocks are linked in blockchain. The first block is called Genesis block. Here you can see 3 blocks. This is just a representation of blocks. Actual blocks will have many other fields. Each block in blockchain is assigned a block number. Each block contains data center where all the transactions data gets recorded or stored as ledger, and it also contains 2 hash values. First hash value is the hash of previous block. In case of Genesis block, there is no previous block, so it is in zeros. Here you can see the example. Second block has previous hash same as the hash of first block, and then block 2 also has its own hash. Block 3 has previous hash same as the second block. Block 3 has its own hash as well. When block 4 will be added, then fourth block will have previous hash same as block 3 hash. And this is how the blocks are linked with another block in blockchain. Now, what is this block hash? How it gets calculated? Block hash is the cryptographic value of all the data of the block, like block number, nouns, transactional data, etc. This cryptographic value is calculated using SHA-256 algorithm. SHA-256 algorithm converts any data in hash of 256 bit. It is one-way function and you cannot decrypt it back. Let's see some example. If you Google SHA-256 online and go to any online tool, you can see this conversion. If you just search SHA-256 online in Google, you will find many links. Let's click on the first one. And here, if I type high, it is converting high to 256-bit hash. But if I try to get high from this 256-bit hash, I would not able to get it back. I cannot decrypt this hash to get high. So you can imagine if someone is trying to change any data in any of the block, the hash will change and it will not match with the hash of next block, and so the change will not be accepted, and that's why it's called immutable ledger.